Hi and welcome. In this video, we are going to see how to create elements on the form and attach variables to them. So go ahead, click on Forms, find the form you have already created, click on the Edit icon. You can see the blank form. On this, what you do first is add a section. So go ahead, go to Containers, click on Section, drag the section onto the screen, move the section. To move the section, you can either drag it or you can navigate to Styles. Make sure section is selected here, and then you can use the arrow keys. You can change the distance it can move. So you can position it here or you can position it by dragging it here. So you just put it here and you can drag it to the width of your screen. And here, let's give it a height of 1000 pixels. There you have your main container ready. Inside the main container, as a best practice, place two smaller containers. These are two sections that you will place here. First one is typically going to be your main section, and below it, you will place one more section that you will call as your hidden section. To these sections, you can add labels. Here, right now, we are going to add a label that just says main section, but eventually this is where you will write the purpose of your form. If you want to add an element to this section, please make sure you select the edit icon here. The section shows up here. Drag the label, put it here. If you don't do it, the layering of the elements will not be correct. Go ahead here and change this to hidden section. Hidden section is a part of the form that will be kept hidden when we eventually send it for production. Go ahead, preview and save. Once you're done saving the form, you can add elements to it. The different form elements available are there here under the Elements tab. Under Form, you can see the elements that you would normally find on a web page: text box, incrementer, text area, drop down. Any of these elements that you want on the page, you can select the section that you want it in. Right, once you see the word section here, feel free to drag these elements here, arrange them as you would on a form. These are some of the common elements that we use: the checkbox, the radio button. We will examine them one at a time. Once you are done, you can preview your form. You can see all the elements here in the main section. Go ahead, save the form. You can navigate back here, come back, check your form is still all out there, and there you go. Thank you.